Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did this Kim Kardashian inspired look. This look is inspired by Kim Kardashian, but it was created by Mario for his Mario Masterclass that he did. I always wanted to go to one. One day I hope that I will meet Mario. The one that he just did in LA would have been like a dream come true because Kim Kardashian was the model, and what else would I want other than Kim Kardashian to be the model? So hopefully he'll do that again for his next class because I would love to attend that. I'm sure I could learn so much more from him. Every time I go to makeup courses and classes that I'm invited to, I actually learn so much that I wouldn't even think of that I would learn. So I just know that I would learn a lot from him. They did a 90s theme. I absolutely fell in love with the look, so I wanted to recreate it, and I've actually haven't seen anybody recreate this look, so that makes it even more exciting to be the first one to do it, well, as far as I know. So if you want to know how I created this 90s glam, please keep watching. To start this tutorial, I'm going to start with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pro Palette, and I'm going to go in with the shade Dark Brown. Don't mind my face. My face is literally all inflamed because yesterday I gave myself a facial, and I actually extracted like everything on my face, so now everything's like red and inflamed, and I put tea tree on it just now to flatten everything so that when I take my pictures they'll look flawless when I put the makeup over. But yeah, on my lip, like, I extracted a blackhead like that has been there for like a month and I could not get it out, so it was a struggle. So now it's like all red, all inflamed, but whatever, because we're gonna cover it all up. To conceal underneath my brows, I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty in the shade 185. This is the Fenty Beauty Concealer. I'm just going to begin blending that out with a beauty blender. For my eyes, I'm going to go in with the KKW X Mario eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use the shade Miami. I'm going to put that all over both of my lids and just smoke everything out. I'm going to put that on the bottom too. Next, I'm going in with the KKW Beauty eyeshadow palette, and this is the classic palette, and I'm going to go in with the shade Dash, which is this one right here. I'm using a nice flat brush. I'm going to begin putting this right on my crease. That's the shade Saint, and I'm gonna put that right in my tear ducts. Using the same shade from the classic palette, the color Saint, I'm gonna go right under my brow bone with a flat brush.
Minus my giant fucking pimple.
To give this look a more dramatic feel, I'm going to go in with this shade and this shade. I'm going to mix them two together and just put them a little bit, just to pinch the corners. And I believe that this is Albanian and this is Loyalty, but I'm not sure. I don't even know if I'm reading this right, because see how it is on the back? I don't know. Go back in with my blending brush and just try to blend that all out, because this is like really smoked out, so I don't want any harsh lines. It looks like she has some white liner on, so I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild liner. And then I'm going to go back in with my Precise blending brush, and I'm going to smoke that out. I'm going to cover my face with the Fenty Pro Filter Primer. This foundation, I'm warning you, is going to be way too dark for me. Now I'm going to go in with the Fenty Pro Filter Foundation, and this is the shade 280. I feel like freaking James Charles over here. Finished doing my foundation, so now I'm just going to go in with the concealer and conceal my face. I'm going to go in with Mocha Fenty Matchstick to contour my face. So you should look like this. And then we're just going to blend it all out. Simple. For my nose, I go in with a Sephora brush like this, and I just sort of push in the foundation or concealer right into place. So you're almost like structuring your nose. I'm going to set my face with the shade Butter for the Pro Filter Setting Powder from Fenty. While this is all baking, I'm going to go in with the BH Cosmetics Press Powder, and this is the shade 250. And I'm just going to go over all my contour with this. Using the same brush, I'm going to go in with the shade Grace from KKW Beauty. And this is a blush. This is from her Classic Blossom collection. Woo! Caught that with my legs. For highlighter, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Fire Crystal and Lightning Dust. And I'm actually going to take Fire Crystal, and I'm going to put a little bit in my tear duct. In with the Fenty Beauty Cheek Hugger brush. For lips, I'm going to use the KKW Beauty Nude 2 lip liner. For this, it looks like she kind of doesn't even really have a Cupid's bow, so I'm going to go right over mine. For lipstick, I'm going to use the Classic K from KKW Beauty. I've never done this before, but I'm going to start with my bottom lashes just because her bottom lashes are like super duper long. But I'm going to go in with the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. For lashes, I'm going to go in with the London Lily Lashes. I put some duo glue on this, and I'm just going to wait a minute, and then I'm going to apply that to my eye. I did my other lash off camera because it was just really getting complicated. I think it was just because there was so much glue actually stuck on it. So this is my final look, and I hope you guys love it. I hope I'm giving you guys Kim 90's vibes because that's what I came here to do. I hope you guys love this. If you did love it, subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up, please.